In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can find the missing item in the bill of material table and how we can exclude the item from the bill of material table. So let's look at our table. We have assembly 1, assembly 2, subassembly 1, subassembly 2, and subassembly 4. Here we see that subassembly 3 is missing. If we look at our assembly, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we have asterisks. So this component is missing from bill of material table. And why would someone hide the component from bill of material table? Maybe the part is not important enough to list, or it's too confidential for anyone to see. To show this part, to find this part, we can simply click on this assembly, go here on the feature manager design tree. Let's open this and let's extend this to see our tree. Now if we look at our tree, we can find here excluded from BOM. And now we know that this part is excluded from BOM. We can just simply right click on it and click here, include in BOM. Let's see. And now we have the part 6. This is subassembly 3, and we have 6 here. And this is how you can find your part that is missing. If you want to exclude some part from bill of material table, you can just simply click here on the assembly and open assembly. And we want to exclude this yellow part. Let's first click on this part and let's find this part in our tree. We see this is assembly 2. Let's click on this assembly, and here we have component properties. Let's choose this one. Let's go down, and here we have exclude from bill of materials. If we check this and click OK, then this part is excluded from bill of material table. We can go back to our drawing, and we see now that this part has asterisks, and this part, assembly 2, is excluded from bill of material table. And this is how you can find missing item or how you can exclude part from bill of material table.